would have happened if both forms of Zamasu took on and stole Goku and Vegeta's bodies? Well, let's find out, shall we? Tonight we're gonna draw Vegeta Black Ros'e, which is a really unexpected turn. Remember when I drew Goku Black and Vegeta Ros'e? Well, I don't really remember drawing Vegeta fighting Goku Black. Let's get started. Anyways, I saw this episode on Unreal Gaming where Goku and Vegeta fight off against their Ros'e counterparts. I really don't know how that happened. Anyway, to get started, we start with the eyes and I guess the hair. Let's see. It's like that time Goku got his Saiyan nature restored and brought back to his senses. Now here's the Batara earring on his left ear.
Very first time we have the ultimate merger of Goku Black and Vegeta Black. And as they both come together, Goku and Vegeta are horrified as to what's about to happen. As Vegeta and Goku look on, Goku goes on to cry out, "No way! Vegeta, do you feel that? Quick!" But he also went along to do the exact same son. These Saiyans of their warrior race rise up to prove except different. As both Goku and Vegeta brace themselves, we finally have the introduction of Goku Black and Vegeta Black, both in their Super Saiyan Ros'e forms. Now, as Goku Black and Vegeta Black anticipate the arrival of Trunks, what they did not expect, energies that Goku and Vegeta were feeling out have arrived, with Goku having to utter out, "Hey, who are you? And why do you look exactly like us?" As Goku continues, steal Vegeta's body. Ukrainian officials confirmed that 300 people were killed in the Russian airstrike on the Mariupol theater as rubble blankets the city after brutal 30 days of war. The attacks interrupting some children's body, very similar to Goku, but he also went along to do the exact same thing. This is
Unlike regular Vegeta, he doesn't wear the gloves. And finished. Look, I guess. That's how you draw Vegeta ros'e. Well, Vegeta black ros'e. To find out more on how to draw more characters like this, be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Sword, see you later. Ugh, what a disaster. I never want to draw another ros'e character again.